What is up, guys? We got something in the mail today. Thought I would do an unboxing real quick, see what it is. Pretty excited about it. Here we go. So, as you can see, it's definitely not computer parts. So let's open it and see what it is. It should do. Oops, there we go. Here we go, here we go. Safety first. Okay, what do we got? It's from Walmart. Oh, dang. Check it out. It's computer parts. It is more of these fans right here. So the case only came with 4. I want 3 more on the top to pull hot air out when we are running renders, because it runs so hot in there. So I searched forever. Newegg was sold out. The company was sold out. They wouldn't tell me where to buy them. Amazon was sold out. Yeah, of course, like everything. It was all sold out. So I actually found them on Walmart.com of all places. It's very bizarre, and they were cheaper. They were $20 cheaper than on Newegg and Amazon. So I wanted to make sure they were the same fans, because they'll plug into the module that controls all these lights, and I want it all the same. So unfortunately, it came with another module and another remote, which I already have, but if either of those go bad, I now have spares, and I have a third fan as well. So it is the 4-fan kit, RGB, controlled by the board and the remote there. You know, a bunch of crap on the side that no one really cares about. But yeah, that's about it. Let's open these and see what they look like. Alright, so as I mentioned, we got some more fans. We're going to open these up. Hopefully they are extremely similar to the ones that are already in there. I don't know if... yeah, whatever. Can anyone ever get these open the right way? Oh, it's a box in a box. So inside, there we go, there's the top. On this side, there we go. So 4 fans. We got our never eat this pellet. Won't focus on that. Silica gel. And then 4 120 millimeter fans. What I like about these is they illuminate on both sides. They are white blades, so that's nice. They shine real well. So yeah, whatever. 4 fans, cool beans. Then in here we should have the module and remit. Look at that, a remote, a magnet. That's kind of cool. Doesn't stick to anything, so that's kind of dumb. And the box. So this is inside the computer on the back side. If I can get this to focus here. It would appear I cannot. There we go. But they take it out of the case. So you have fan 4. Let's see. Fan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 fans. I only have 4 in there now. LED in, LED out, LED 1, LED 2, and the power that runs all of it. Just like a normal power connector. So that's cool. I'll keep these, put them somewhere else. And then we'll get these. We've got a bunch of splitters and extenders. Don't care. A bag of screws for each one. See if I can focus. There we go. So get these put in this thing, and then we will see what we can do from there. So the cool thing about this case is they make it so the top just comes off, right? So this will be off. Set the fans up top, just run the wires down, plug them in. Will be easy to go. So instead of a hand screwdriver, I'm going to go ahead and use the DeWalt 1/2 inch impact. 700 pounds should do it. I definitely won't use this simply because I can't get a Phillips bit on here, but what I actually will use is just Old Faithful. I've had this thing forever. Little 1/4 inch driver. So take the stop off, 3 fans in the top, run them, plug them in, we'll be good to go. So let's speed this up so it's not super boring. So I made this mantle place for a customer. They saw the one we had in our house and they wanted it. They wanted it a little roughed up. It's cut out to go around some brick at the top and also on the bottom. I cut 45-degree angles and just glued and nailed it all together. To rough it up, I just took a wood chisel and just kind of scraped it out and then hit it with some sandpaper just to give it a not brand new, whatever you want to call it, look. So they gave me their own stain for it. It's an older stain. If I can frickin' focus, there we go. So I'm going to be putting that on in a minute, and then they also put on and wipe off a black Valspar paint over it. So we'll be doing that as well, and then we'll see what it looks like when we're done. There we go. Got it all done. I really like how it turned out. I tried to leave paint in the cutouts longer so they show a little more, and then wipe down the rest. Once it sits overnight, I'm going to put 2 coats of this on. I love this stuff. It sprays on. It evens out real nice so you don't have to sand in between coats like if you were to brush it on. But yeah, I'm super happy. So I'm going to let this sit and dry, like I said, overnight. Spray this on, and then we will be good to go. Thanks for watching. Have a good week.